Yes, students, will continue with that Dravid and Sachin and Dravid with a balance sheet. Yes. So to write the balance sheet, right? New balance sheet as on 1/4/2017. They have given in the question. Liabilities amount rupees. Assets amount rupees. Yes. To write the balance sheet, same. Nima question allu balance sheet is there, no? Same you have to copy. So first is what? Creditors 18,000, right? Creditors 18,000. Yes? Okay. Bills payable 12,000. Yes? Bills payable 12,000. What did I do? Creditors, bills payable as it is copy ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Next, what is there? Reserve fund 3,000. I am not going to write this. Why? Because here it is already adjusted. Already agide. So, no writing that. Next, capital. Sachin Dravid. Right. Capitals. Sachin Dravid Ashwin I'm writing. Why? Ashwin is a new partner now. Hosabnu admit agidane. So, write all the three partners. But the amount you will write not this, but this amount. E partner's capital account is there. No? This amount what you got, this amount you will copy and write. So what it is? Yeah, 55,400. Next is 53,600. Next is 40,000. Isn't it? Yes. Just check it. Yes, correct. Next, liabilities is done. Assets, cash in hand, 2,000. Same, right? Cash in hand, 2,000. Yes. Next, cash at bank. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 18,000. Right? Cash at bank. But inner column ಅಲ್ಲಿ 18,000 plus when he was admitted, this person brought no 40,000, then this 18,000 goodwill. So 40,000 plus 18,000 goodwill. Add this all three students. How much will you get? Yes, you will get. Please use your calculator, dear students. 76,000. What did I do? Cash in hand, cash at bank 18,000 plus ಈ ಎರಡು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪುಟ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಯಾ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮನಿ ವಾಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪುಟ್ ದೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಸನ್ಡ್ರಿ ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್ 25,000 ಲೆಸ್ PDD ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಅಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸನ್ಡ್ರಿ ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್ 25,000 ಲೆಸ್ PDD ಎಸ್ Adre, PDD here is 2,000. You will not write that. You are going to write in the adjustment how much it is given. Say PDD increased by 33,500 is there in the question. Adjustment only, please check students how much it was here. Yes, PDD increased rupees 3,500. Please write that. Okay. Here I'm adjusting the camera. For me it is a little difficult to turn the page. So please excuse me. 3,500, isn't it? So minus madidre you will get less. Okay, PDD always you are deducting from your debtors, that is 21,500. Next, what is there? Stock 10,000. Stock ige ಏನು adjustment illa, nothing you have done. Stock copy and 10,000. Fine. Next, what is the furniture? 25,000. Yes, so furniture 25,000. But furniture, what has happened in the question? What you have done? See, if you remember, furniture depreciation 10%. Yes, you have done depreciation, isn't it? So you'll write less depreciation. But amount is what? In revaluation account check madi. Depreciation 2,500. So e amount annu write. How much it is? 2,500. Okay, when you less, you will get 22,500. Very good. Okay. Next is what, students? Building 50,000. So building 50,000. Less depreciation. How did I write depreciation? In the revaluation account, see building value was less. Value was less, so you wrote in debit side. 5,000 value was less. So see, I'm just copying from your revaluation account, which you have solved just now. ಈಗ solve ಮಾಡಿದ revaluation account ಇದೆಲ್ಲ 8,000 value ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. It has become less. So it was less andre depreciation. How much? 5,000. It will give you 45,000. Okay. Yes. Next, what is there, students, in the question? Building at the P&L account, profit and loss account. P&L andre profit and loss account. But I will not write that. Why? Profit and loss account adjustment you have already done here. In a partner's capital account you have done. Please do not write it again. If you write, your answer is wrong. Okay, but I'm going to write prepaid insurance. In the adjustment last it was given, no, if you remember, dear students, that is prepaid insurance. Here prepaid insurance 2000. Prepaid insurance, what it was, you had written the revaluation accounts. Here prepaid insurance 2000. Prepaid insurance, I have told you, it is insurance next year the now only you are paying. 2018 you are paying now in 2017. Isn't it a gain for you? It is a current asset. So asset column ali bartade. Prepaid insurance 2000. Remember previous problem ali I had written salary in the debit side, in the liability, because it was a expense. Current expense here, current income will be in the asset side. Okay, now make the total. So make the total, student, how much it will get? Yes, 1,79,000. Both the sides should be same. Please solve this problem, students. Very, very important. Okay, thank you, dear students.